web browser and go to 5kplayer.com. Then click Free Download for Windows. On the next page, click the Free Download button. Once the download is complete, click on the download at the bottom of your browser window. Click Install. When the installation is complete, click Launch. Now you'll need to register for the software. This is free to do. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Enter your full name. Then type in your email address. Click Next Step at the bottom. Enter your email address again to confirm, then click OK. You'll then be asked for a registration code. To get your code, open your email inbox and look for an email from 5kplayer. You'll see a code listed in the email. Copy the code, then go back to 5kplayer and paste the code in the text box. Then click Activate. Now you're all set to use 5kplayer. To allow for wireless screen mirroring, select AirPlay'i. Now, swipe your finger upwards from the bottom of your iPhone screen to open your control center. Select Screen Mirroring. From the list of available devices, tap the 5kplayer option. You should now see your iPhone screen appear on your PC. Do whatever you want to display on your PC. If you want, you can even record your iPhone screen with this software by clicking the Record button. To stop recording, click Stop. Video recordings will be saved to your Videos folder on your PC. When you want to stop screen mirroring, swipe upwards from the bottom of your iPhone screen again. Tap the name of your PC on the left. Then tap Stop Mirroring. That's all it takes to screen mirror your iPhone to a